Hello everyone. So in our today's problem, we have to find the maximum matching of players with trainers. So which is a medium level problem in leetcode. You'll be given two zero index integer array. One will be for players, another one will be for trainers. So you have to find maximum number of matchings between players and trainers that satisfy these conditions. So what is the conditions? Conditions is uh, like uh, the ith player can match with the j trainer if the player's ability is less than or equal to the trainer's training capacity. So this value of trainer's array is capacity of trainer and player's array, the ith value is the uh, ability of the players. Okay, so if I copy this one and paste it here, and if you have a look, the problem says this is the uh, this is the ability of players and this is the capacity of trainers. Okay, so the matching will happen if the ability is less than or equal to the capacity of the trainers, and each trainers who can match with only one player, means one ith fellow, and one players can like assign with only one trainers. Okay, so here, if we have a look, 4 is less than or equal to 8, so we can say 1. Okay, then again, if I go to 7 is greater than 2. So here I'll just cut this one and this one initially. Okay, then 7 is greater than 2, so we can't match with the trainers, right? Then I'll go to the next value, 5, and then again I'll check here as well. 7 is greater than 5, so we will not count this one. Then again we'll go to the 8. Now we found 7 is less than 8, right? So we'll take this one as well. So our total match will be 2. Okay, then we'll cut this one. So we have one more value of players remaining, but we don't have any more player trainers, right? We have to, but they are less than the value of players. So from my point of view, the easiest way to solve this problem is just if you have a just like think about this. To solve this problem, the easiest way will be if we sort both of the arrays, right? So if I sort this one, I think yeah, this one is will be this one is already sorted. So 4, 7, and 9. And for the trainers, if I sort it, so initially it will come 2, then 5, then 8, and then 8, right? Now I will check with this one and this one. So here my 4 is greater than 2, right? So I will not take this one. Then again I will come on 5. I will not take this one. Then 4 is less than less than uh, less than the value of 8. So what I will do, I will take this one and this one, and I will increase the value of my count. So count will be 1, right? Okay, so these two I taken. Now I will increase the value of my I here and increase the value of my J here, right? Now, yeah, 7 is less than 8. Like if it was 8, still we can take, right? Like the problem statement says it should be the less than or equal. So I will take this two as well and then increase the value of I, increase the value of J, and then increase the value of count, which is 2. So now here J, like our J will cross our array and J will be out of bound, and at this time I will like close my loop, whichever loop we are running, for loop or while loop. So and then I'll return the count, right? If I do this one, okay, so this one is pretty much easy. So as there is only one value, so we don't need to sort. It's already sorted, we can say. So just assign this one, and count will be 1, and there will be no trainers. So we'll close the loop and we'll return 1 here, right? Uh, I hope you got this. And if I write code here, all I have to do, I have to sort the array first. Arrays, both of the arrays. Okay, sort pairs dot begin and pairs end, right? It. And then all I have to do, I have to write trainers. That's it. And then I'll take one value count is equal to 0, and I'll return count. Now I'll run a for what I can do, I can run while loop. So here I can say count 0, I 0, and Z 0 is equal to 0. Okay, then I'll say while I is less than player's size and j is less than trainer's dot size, then do something. So what I have to do, I have to find if it's already sorted, right? So if yes, the problem says the ability you are given children doesn't okay, so the ability less than or equal to the trainer. So players I is less than or equal to my trainer's I, trainer's J. If it is, then I will increase the value count plus plus, then I plus plus, J plus plus, right? Otherwise is I'll so here if I like for example p of ith value of p is not less than or equal to t, so I'll increase the only value of t like trainer, so only j will plus plus j plus plus. Okay, and if I run my code, or if this is count here, I put 20. Yeah, that's also what we can do here, like as we are increasing the value of j both of case, so we can simply say like this. So if the player is less than or equal to j, trainer, then increase the value of I. Otherwise, in both cases, increase the value of j. Right? And if I submit my code, that's it. Thank you so much, guys.